you've managed to secure your first apprenticeship job, well done. Congratulations on getting this far. But now the hard work really starts. You've got to make sure that on your first day that you're really well prepared and you make a great first impression with that employer.
To be honest, the most important thing on day one is make sure you're there on time.
It's really important to plan your journey. You need to make sure you know exactly when rush hour is, to make sure that you're not going to get stuck in traffic. You need to know where you've got to park. You need to allow time for a buffer to make sure that on your first day you make the best first impression that you can.
It's very important to think about your dress code.
If you're in doubt about what to wear on your first day, you can always call the company and ask someone what the best thing to wear would be.
It's always better to be overdressed than underdressed. If you turn up in jeans and a t-shirt and everyone's there in a business suit, you're going to feel ridiculous. Whereas if you turn up in a business suit and everyone is relaxed, then it's not going to be so bad because you can take your jacket off and fit in with everybody else.
It's important to do your homework so you understand what the company actually does.
Make sure that you do some research on the company, you know exactly who's who, who's your boss and who's their boss, and how that fits within the structure of the company.
There's a lot of information you have to absorb on the first day, so all you've got to do is listen, make notes, absorb as much information as you can.
It's important to ask a lot of questions. Make sure you listen because you don't want to have to keep going back to the same people and asking the same questions.
Just take a notebook, take loads of notes. That way, when you're going away, if you're on your train on your way home or whatever, you can always have a review of your notes. It's more likely to stick in your brain if you've reviewed the information that's coming at you.
An apprenticeship is a fantastic way of learning, so look, you've got to enjoy the whole process of it.
It's a brilliant opportunity, just make the most of it. Just think about how you look, how you behave. It's fantastic, go for it, you've got nothing to lose.